Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix driver crashes after the new Nvidia and AMD update. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step will roll back the driver content. If your driver crashes started immediately after installing the new Nvidia or AMD update, the most straightforward solution is to revert to the previous driver version. This can usually be done through the Device Manager in Windows. Locate your graphics card under Display Adapters, right-click it, select Properties. Then go to the Driver tab, click Roll Back Driver and follow the on-screen instructions. A system restart will likely be necessary. If the rollback option is unavailable, proceed to the next step.
Step Clean uninstall the driver content. A clean uninstall ensures that all remnants of the problematic driver are removed from your system, preventing conflicts with the subsequent reinstall. Use a dedicated driver uninstaller, like Display Driver Uninstaller, to completely remove the current driver download. Do boot into safe mode and run the uninstaller, selecting the option to clean both the Nvidia or AMD driver and the associated software components. Reboot your system after the process completes.
Step reinstall the previous driver optional content. After the clean uninstall, you can reinstall the previously stable driver version. Download the appropriate driver from the official Nvidia or AMD website. Matching your graphics card model and operating system, choose the previous version. If possible, rather than the updated one that caused the issues, run the installer and reboot your system once the installation is finished. Test for stability before proceeding further.
Step will reinstall the latest driver with a clean installation content. If reverting to the older driver doesn't resolve the crashes, attempt a clean installation of the latest driver. Download the newest driver from the official Nvidia or AMD website. During installation, choose the Custom Advanced Installation option, if available. This allows you to select components and perform a clean install, overwriting any previous driver files. Ensure your system is fully updated before proceeding with this step.
Step check for hardware or software conflicts content. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, investigate potential hardware or software conflicts. Check your system's event logs for detailed error messages that could pinpoint the cause. Ensure all other drivers are up to date. If you recently installed new hardware or software, consider installing them temporarily to check for compatibility issues. Overheating can also cause crashes. Monitor your temperatures using monitoring software.